France-based Decathlon is the world's largest sports retailer that has been around since 1976. Now, this store has been in India in various cities for quite a few years, and we are in the heart of Bengaluru at Decathlon's Eva Mall store, where they've introduced a bunch of new technologies to make your retail experience better. Now, this includes a VR zone where you can check out tents without actually buying them, and also a locker outside the store where you can pick up your Decathlon packages simply by entering an OTP. No human intervention required. There's also two new checkout experiences. One of this is a self-checkout cart where you just dump all the things you've bought and it automatically adds it to your cart. You just pay with your credit card and you're done. And lastly, there's also a Scan and Go app which lets you buy all the things you need simply via an app. And in that app, there's also a store locator feature which lets you find all the items that you need in various parts of the store, and it lets you navigate to that part of the store. Now, do these technologies actually work out? We'll find out. Decathlon's Scan and Go app, which is available for iOS and Android, is pretty easy to use. You point the camera at the product tag, select certain details such as the size you want, and then you make the payment on your smartphone. And finally, you place your phone under the scanner and then you're ready to leave.
So we have built this part which is helping the people to place the scanner ideally to be read. This scanner is not able to read the barcode. So when the people want to exit from the POS, we still have a security guard which has to check did they buy everything that they have on the bill. And for the people who buy on the Scan and Go, they can just scan and go. We are working and we have found some scanner that we can use that will be able to read both the QR code and the barcode. As like that, everybody will have the same process.
So how do these RFID tags work? Here's the answer.
So when you scan the barcode, inside this gate, we have a scanner which is able to read all the RFID tags which are around. So it will match the bill that you have on your mobile. Let's say on my mobile I have a bill with 2 pair of shoes and 2 t-shirts, and it will detect that next to it, next to the scanner, there is 2 t-shirts and 2 pair of shoes, and so it will say, okay, you can go ahead with those articles.
Another interesting use of the Scan and Go app is that for some products there is only one unit available in the shop. You can scan the product, select the correct size and have it delivered to your house as long as it's within Bengaluru.
In a small store like this, where there's space constraints to keep everything of each size, it's difficult and it's challenging. What we've done through the app is for users to walk in, to test and feel any product, one size each of any product. And then make a purchase through the app and get the product delivered to their home free of cost within 24 hours inside Bangalore.
In case you don't feel like spending hours at the Decathlon store, you can simply order everything on the website and pick it up from the locker at the store. This saves you a lot of time. Once the product is ready to be picked up, you'll get an email with an OTP. You simply go to the locker, key in this OTP, and the locker will open with the package waiting for you.
At the end of last year, we were doing the same, and we identified 2 major pain points that hassles that users face. One is the checkout process, which is always time consuming and hectic. The other, of course, is also to give convenience to locating a product inside the store or searching a product inside the store.
Another way to avoid long queues at Decathlon's Eva Mall store is to use the self-checkout counter. Here, you simply pick up all the items you've ordered and dump them in this self-checkout box. Pay via your credit card or debit card and then leave the store.
A company that has 5,000 different products sometimes becomes intimidating for some customers. But with the app, it's easy to locate a product and to make a purchase.
Another big complaint with Decathlon is that the stores are huge and it takes a lot of time to find what you need. Now there are 2 ways to do that in the Eva Mall store. One is via the big store locator screen right at the entrance, and the second one is via the Scan and Go app. It will even help you navigate all the way till you reach the particular product. While the store locator is good when you want to look for a product, not everything is perfect with the Scan and Go app. We found that the checkout experience was a bit slower than we'd like, simply because our mobile internet was a bit on the slower side.
So today, first of all, with the network, we have, let's say, enough backups. In the future, what we are always looking at is to have more and more accuracy in terms of mobile network. So we might look also at solutions like network boosters and things like this to ensure that we always have a very good network inside the store.
At the moment, Decathlon is testing all of these technologies for the first time in its Eva Mall store on Brigade Road in Bengaluru. But when will all of these cool features make it to other Decathlon stores in India and abroad? We asked the store leader to find out.
In terms of a timeline, we don't have a specific timeline for sure. And when it's successful, it is going to be distributed in all other stores.
Decathlon certainly has made some interesting uses of technology, and it remains to be seen whether this is implemented in Decathlon stores worldwide. There still are some teething issues, but that's exactly what a pilot project is for, to iron out these issues and to roll it out worldwide. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, don't forget to share it with your friends. You can also check out Gadgets360.com for more news, features and reviews.